So guys, the weather's cleared a bit, we're back on the Golf, it's the final video. I've ran it for a wee while the weather was bad, back and forward to work, and it's absolutely perfect mechanically. The bodywork's now done, we just want to flatten and polish a couple of little bits, give it a real good detail, and then it's ready to retail. Stay tuned to the end, because in this video we're also going to go through the numbers and we'll show you exactly how much we've spent and exactly how much profit's in the car. Right, the first thing we're going to start on is these seats, because I want to leave the car running so they'll dry off a little bit. They're not too bad, so I'm not going to fully wet vac them, so there's only a little bit of water staining on them. So I'm going to use some multi-purpose cleaner, the drill and the drill brush, and then I'm just going to use a good thick microfiber cloth just to soak up the water and the dirt and pick that up. But yeah, the seats aren't too bad, so this will do absolutely fine.
So now that we've cleaned all the plastics with the G101, we're going to use this trim dressing to make all the plastic look new again.
Look at this guys, now that everything's all had a good scrub with G101 and the plastic trim dressing's all done, seats are all cleaned, this is much cleaner inside. Absolutely nothing wrong with this, this is almost retail ready on the inside.
Now what we can do is go over with the bubblegum air freshener, spray it into the carpets, and we can close the door, put the heaters on, leave it to dry, and it'll be smelling just as good as factory.
And we can concentrate on the outside while the seats are drying.
Yeah. So as Dad said, the interior is all cleaned and is looking spotless. We can now move on to the exterior and give it a good pressure wash, and we'll get rid of that Arnold Clark sticker because that's looking a bit crusty. Moving on to the front, the bonnet that we painted last week, we'll give it a wet sand, we'll get rid of all the dust bunnies, and then we can machine polish it and get it completely finished, ready for retail.
Once again guys, it started to rain on us, but I did manage to get the bonnet done, so it's been flattened, there's no dust or anything in it anymore, it's been polished. I just wanted to quickly get it done before the rain started. So one of the last things we've got to do, we've got a new reflector for the back bumper. That came in the mail, because when we were doing the back bumper, this one was broken. There we go, this will completely finish off the back end. That just pushes in.
protective film on it.
Is there?
But I don't want to scratch it in case there isn't. I think there is.
That looks better.
I'll get a cloth and some thinners. Get the glue off.
These are horrible. I don't know.
It looks like it's coming off.
I'm not gonna lie, this is quite satisfying. I don't think I've ever had an Arnold Clark sticker come off like this. All in one.
They always end up ripping, eh?
Yeah.
We just got a rag with some thinners on it. Clean the glue up.
So guys, it's time to do the numbers on the Golf. As you've seen in the cinematics, it's looking great now, and you wouldn't believe how cheap this car was. I don't know if it was just because we bought it near Christmas, or who knows, but we got a bargain on Copart. So I was scrolling through Copart as I always do. I seen this come up, it was unrecorded, and it had minor dents and scratches. That's what the report was. So we had a wee bid on the car, and we actually got the car, including fees from Copart, for £3,300, which was an absolute bargain. Now, we got the car delivered, just to save us going to pick it up. That cost us £180. That was delivered from Copart straight to our door. Next on the list, we obviously done the bodywork on it, so paint and materials, I put down a budget of £120, and I think we used the best part of that, maybe a couple of pound change. We needed the reflector for the back bumper, which we got off of eBay. It's an aftermarket part, but as you've seen, it's a perfect fit and you can't tell. And that was £12, £11.97, free delivery. And then the last thing we had was the cleaning materials. So I've budgeted a tenner for cleaning materials because we only used a wee bits and bobs. So that gives us a grand total of £3,622 for the car. Now, when it comes to finding out what to retail them for, we always jump on Auto Trader, and I narrow it down to within 50 miles of my local area for that specific car. So Volkswagen Golf 2014 1.6 Blue Motion, within 50 miles of me. And as you can see, they're retailing for sort of £9,000. I think the cheapest one on there is £5,995, but it's got quite high mileage. So looking at the ones on here, they've got alloys, yours hasn't got alloys, but very similar specs. Yours is quite good on the mileage. So what I'm going to do is we're going to put that car up for sale for £5,995, and that will give us a profit of £2,333 on the Golf. And the best part is we've already got a buyer for the Golf. So it's been picked up by somebody we've known for a while. They were looking for a new car, they've seen that we'd got that, came up and had a look at it, and they've decided to take it. So they're paying the full £5,995, because that's a bargain price as far as I'm concerned, and they're very happy with the car. So the Golf's gone already. So we've got a good chunk of money now to start looking for something else. We need to get back onto the Road to Supra series. The Mini's still up for sale. And I think what we're going to do next, we've not had a Lupo episode for a while. We've actually put the engine back in so we can have some more space in the garage, but we've no idea what to do with this. So we're going to do a quick episode on this next week. So thanks for watching. Remember to like and comment, and we'll see you on the next one.